Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Back at it again with TJ for another trading recap. Today, unfortunately, didn't go as planned. Today was a choppy day. And I guess because of the FOMC that's coming out at 2 p.m. Eastern. But today ultimately did not go as planned for several reasons. So I had one of the days today where I had opportunities for a short and a long happen around the same time. And so as a result, I was able to go in on two opportunities. The problem was that NinjaTrader, which is what I use to execute my orders, didn't open up my bracket order for the second trade because I guess the first trade was still somewhat active after it hit the TP and finished the trade. And so the second trade didn't put the bracket order in. And so I panicked and I had to sell off at a loss. Okay, so I had two losses, one gain, and one break even today, and this ended up in a loss. Take a look. And then I went in on another trade, and this trade unfortunately ended up in a loss. Now, this trade was also another short on Nasdaq, and I should have actually not done it because it wasn't really an A+ setup now that I think back about it, but I think I was still a bit rattled by what happened earlier, that I think it messed with my focus and my judgment. And so it ended up kind of spiraling into another unnecessary loss. Check it out. And then here is my balance. It's a pretty big loss because, again, I took a loss on the first one unnecessarily, which is not how I play my trades. And then, of course, I took my full loss on the second losing trade. And so it ended up being more than I usually take on a trade for a loss day. I usually do about $1,800. I'm about $300 above that. So, it does happen. I can learn from it, and I try and make sure that I don't do it again. But hopefully tomorrow and Friday go well, and we'll see how everything ends up for the rest of the week. So if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn how to be able to have self-control when this kind of day happens, that can be annoying and frustrating, please go into the comment section, the pinned comment, or into the description below, and actually get the promo code or the link, and you can get a really good pricing for any account that you want, and you can start learning how to actually trade so that you can make some really, really good money. Okay, so it is worth it. We're living in a great time. Get it, onwards and upwards. And so until tomorrow, take care. God bless.